Hey there! So glad you could join me for cooking today. I'm going to be filming this myself because my daughter's busy with her homework. So bear with me. We'll get the close-in shots. Oh, I kind of like this. It looks like I've got a halo. There we go. So I'm going to shift the view to my pan. Today we're going to be making grilled cheese sandwiches. And for that, we're going to need to turn this around. Oh my goodness, why can't I flip this around? Okay, there we go. I flipped it around. So what we're going to need for this is a knife, plate to put our grilled cheese sandwich on, some cheese, any kind of cheese you want. I happen to have some cheddar cheese, and it's shredded. You could have it in American cheese or Velveeta even, or in slices or whatever. You're going to need some bread. I happen to have whole wheat or cracked wheat, but you could use any kind of bread. And you're going to need some butter and a fry pan. So we're going to turn this on. I'm going to put mine on pretty high, between 9 and 11 there. And I'm going to take a little bit of butter and set that in there. It's going to start melting. And I'll put a piece of bread on top of that. There we go. You can also, if your butter is nice and soft, you can spread it on, if your butter is really soft, you can spread it on the bread first and then pop it into the pan. Mine was kind of hard. I just took it out of the fridge. So I'm going to put that in there and get that melting. Kind of move that around a little bit. And while that's melting underneath there, oh my goodness, there we go. While that's melting underneath, we're going to take a small handful of cheese. Since I have the shredded kind, I'm going to put it on top of that. And then put another, oops, how am I going to do this? And put another piece of bread on top. There we go. And that should warm up. Whatever cheese falls on your pan is going to stick to the pan. So I would, oops, suggest picking up those little bits and sticking them back inside there. There we go. And now we're just going to wait until that butter on the back side browns the bread, and then we can flip it over. There we go. I found a cupboard just above our stovetop that's going to hold my phone for me so I can film. So while the bottom side is cooking, you can stick some butter on the top piece of bread. Kind of push it in there. Or spread it if it's ready to spread, if it's warm enough. And we're going to check to see if this other side is cooked. Look at that, perfect. Notice how the cheese that came out got a little crunchy there. I'm going to try and pick up those bits of cheese that fell out so that they don't get burnt. I'm just going to stick them on top there since we're done with that side. Nice and warm. So this is probably, oh look at that. This side's already cooked. That one went a lot faster. We are done. So we can eat and enjoy our grilled cheese that we cooked all by ourselves. Have a great day. Bye-bye, students.